Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to continue bWAPP series. Specifically, we'll be dealing with XML XPath injection. Very similar to SQL injection. XPath injection attacks occur when a website uses user-supplied information to construct an XPath query for XML data, also HTML data. As you know, we can use XPath to extract specific element or content. However, if such XPath is not sanitized and attackers can use it for malicious purpose. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now let's head over to Linux VM to start. The first is to log in to the bWAPP platform, bBUG, and the secret level is low. Login, and we can choose the bug, what we are going to do in this video. Yes, this one, login form, hack. So enter your superhero credentials. Because of this title, XML and XPath injection, I don't think we can use similar or the same payload as SQL injection. Anyway, let's try it out. For example, like all 1-to-1 and comment anything, login. But we got error, invalid credentials. And also we can get some warning message. It clear tell us there is some sort of XPath involved at the back end. Okay, and because of our input is invalid XPath, so this is the reason why we get such a warning. Okay, and as a matter of fact, I have already copied the core snippet of source code for this application of this function, of this application. So here, login, the username, and then we'll run the check or filter, because now we are doing low secret level, so this doesn't have any effect or without any filter in place. And similar to password field, and then load the XML file, and this is the function, load XML, and this is the heroes. This file contains like a username and password. Okay, and then we'll construct the query based on XPath. So this is XPath. So we want to get the heroes node and then the hero, but hero should contain or should match the condition login. Login or username should be equal to our input and password. So would be, the query would be like this. Maybe we can copy. If we input normal, input username and password normally, and the query would be like this one. So the XPath heroes hero and login single quote like admin and password equal to for example, like admin. Okay, and then we'll run the query. Sorry, let me go back and get the, so if there is any result, and then we can get this message. Okay, the secret message. So very similar to SQL injection, we can construct malicious payload, but a bit different. Okay, for example, we can construct this payload like, or we need to use this to close this single code. Okay, and because unlike SQL injection, we cannot use a comment. Okay, so this is the reason why we need to use this single code and one. And in the end, we do not need to put another single code because of this one. Okay, so now we can copy. And also, because this is different from SQL injection. In SQL injection, we can put the the comment and then everything. For example, everything including passwords condition would be ignored. However, in this case, we need to, we can use this one and put into the login field and also the password field. So this can make sure, we can get a result. Okay. So now if we log in, you see, we successfully got this message, your secret. Oh, why didn't I took that black pill? So should be your secret, or I didn't copy. Login username, new. How are you today? Your secret and secret. So this should be secret. All right. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Of course, please do not forget considering making donations through my Patreon. You're greatly appreciated, which the link will be in the description below. Okay? Bye. Have a good day, please.